That dual pressure switch is fried. I've been trying to change the differential and all that. Doesn't come up, so I jumpered it and yeah, there we go. Now, but always make sure the system is not empty. So I have my gauge hooked up, because that's empty. You do that, you're gonna see the compressor. So never want to bypass a switch, pressure switch, unless system is full. It has refrigerant. If it's empty, kaput, compressor is gone. All right, now just have to recover the refrigerant. I think I have a dual pressure switch. If not, then just go to supplier and buy one. And recover, change, pressurize, add vacuum, and then fill. All right, ciao.